babae parang Barbie. Pwede mong hubaran, gamitan, at paglaruan. Pero tandaan, ang tunay na lalaki, hindi naglalaro ng Barbie. Sabi nila, masayang mag-aral pag may inspirasyon. Laging blooming, nag-aayos, at happy. Pero anong silbi ng inspirasyon mo kung ganito ang isosolve mo? Anong say ng inspirasyon mo? Lahat tayo may papel sa mundo. Pero pag quiz, wala. The greatest gift that you can give to your friend is your love. In Tagalog, ang pinakamagandang regalo na pwede mong ibigay sa iyong kaibigan ay ang iyong mahal. Promise, iiwan kita. Hindi kita mahal. Sasaktan kita. Hindi kita aalagaan. Papaiyakin kita. Hindi kita ipagtatanggol. Ang sama no, basahin natin pabalik. Ipagtatanggol kita. Hindi kita paiiyakin. Aalagaan kita. Hindi kita sasaktan. Mahal kita. Hindi kita iiwan. Promise. The habit of admiring someone can lead to either of the two consequences. Intense addiction or falling. How can you believe if the middle of the world believe was life? Ang pagmamahal ay verb, isang action word. Kaya ang pagmamahal ay pinaparamdam, di lang sinisa. You don't have to be the best to make somebody love you. Always remember that being simple is the most perfect way you can make someone fall. When someone walks away from you, it's not the end of your story. It's the end of their role in your story. Tears are one of the meaningful liquids because out of many liquids here in world, only tears can explain the real meaning of pain.